Kia ora Year 9, this video is about how to simplify fractions. So we realized it from the previous videos, we have lots of equivalent fractions to one fraction. So lots of different fractions can actually represent the same value. And now here we are going to write fraction in its simplest format. Okay, so that's why we call it simplifying fraction. So how do you approach it? Let's have a look at the first question. So we say this is equal to, now you think about two factors that will actually multiply together will give you 2. So I can think of 2 times 1. And think about two factors multiplied together will give you 4. So which is 2 times 2. Now you can see that we have a common factors. This in fact is actually saying that you think in this way, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And 1 times half is half. So we simplify this fraction to half. Or another way to think about is you can say I can divide it by 2 on the top. I can also divide by 2 at the bottom. So that will give me 1 on 2. Now, the reason I show you this way, factor times factor, it will really, it's going to be really helpful for algebraic fractions later on that we're going to learn. And then this is a working that is required to show. So let's have a look at one more example here. So we have 18 on 20. You can think of two factors multiplied together. So you can just make it, so 2 times 9. And then the bottom line is 2 times 10. And again, we can see the common factor. So we can cancel them because 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. And so the answer is 9 on 10. And obviously you can use the second approach if you want. You can say I can divide it by 2 both on the top and the bottom, and then that will give me 9 over 10. Now let's have a look at one more example here. 14 over 24. Just think about any numbers that's in your head. So that's 2 times 7. And let's think about whether any 2 times what will give you 24. And we know that 2 times 12 will give you 24. And then we notice that this 2 and 2 are the common factor. And therefore, we can cancel them. The reason we can cancel them because 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and 1 times whatever will get whatever. So the answer is 7 over 12. Let's have a look at one more example here. I can think of 2 times 9 is equal to 18. And 2 times 10 will give me 20. So again, you've got the common factor of 2, and I can cancel them because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore, the answer is 9 over 10. And what about this one here? I can say this is 3 times 1 for the top, and the bottom line is 3 times 10. Again, I can see the common factor here, so I can cancel them together. And because it's 3 divided by 3 will give me 1, so therefore it's 1 over 10. So I hope that you now understand how to simplify the fraction, and sometimes you just need to keep checking your answer whether it's the simplest format. Thank you. Have a lovely day.